Hello there, welcome to my TOEFL. Today we're going to dive into the Read an Academic Passage task, where we'll practice breaking down university-level texts and analyzing their logical structure. Let's work together to master identifying key details and rhetorical functions so you can approach any passage with total confidence. If you're finding these strategies helpful for your prep, make sure to subscribe to my TOEFL for more expert lessons. Let's keep pushing toward your goal score together. Listen closely to the speaker's intent and tone to predict how a person would naturally respond in this conversation.
Are you free to chat for a moment?
Are you free to chat for a moment? Are people commentation and use says, tadations to ju says. The speaker asks, are you free to chat, which is a polite inquiry into someone's current availability. Since they specifically ask for your time for a moment, we should look for a response that either accepts or declines the invitation to talk. Let's listen to our options to find the best reply. Let's listen to option A. Yes, I have some time now. This is a perfect match because the phrase, I have some time now, directly addresses the question about being free. It provides a logical confirmation that the person is available to chat for a moment as requested. This is likely our correct answer. Now let's hear what option B says. This is a good chat. This response is a distractor because it uses the word chat, but describes the quality of a conversation that hasn't even happened yet. Saying this is a good chat does not make sense as a reply to the initial request to see if you are free to chat in the first place. Here is option C. Let's see if it fits. The tickets were free. This option is incorrect because it changes the meaning of the word free to refer to cost. While the speaker was asking about time, this response mentions tickets were free, which is irrelevant to the request for a conversation. Don't be fooled by repeated words used in the wrong context. Let's evaluate the response in option D. It was a very long moment. Although this response uses the word moment, it refers to a completed event in the past. Saying it was a very long moment does not answer the current question of whether you are free to talk right now, so it is logically disconnected. The most natural reply is option A, since the phrase, I have some time now, provides the most direct and logical answer to the speaker's request for a chat. To master these tasks, always focus on the speaker's communicative goal rather than just matching vocabulary. Identifying whether the speaker is making a request or asking for information will help you filter out distractors that repeat words in the wrong context. Great job today!